Ma'am, okay, ma'am, repeat the
Now he's
address.
messing up my tires.
Ma'am,
I need help, please.
ma'am, repeat the address. I need to send units to you. I need the address.
Please help me. He's gonna kill me. I'm trying to go home. I have my baby in the car and he attacked me in front of the kids.
Okay, ma'am,
Now
repeat the
he's
address.
messing up my tires.
Ma'am,
I need help, please.
ma'am, repeat the address. I need to send units to you. I need the address.
Please help me. He's gonna kill me.
You know, after I heard this yesterday, I couldn't help but think about some of the stuff that I went through with women. And how when they would get so upset with me, and I mean, I'm a big guy. And the average woman ain't whooping a guy 6'2", 6'3", over 200 pounds. It's not happening. Forget having to put your hands on her. It ain't a win for a woman, even if they pick something up when you're my size. So a lot of times, when they really get upset with you and when they want to do some harm to you, they call the police. I've had that happen to me several times. Now, with that being said, when I heard that call, it brought back flashbacks for me. And I ain't gonna front. I couldn't help but think, about what Tank said with his statement. The first thing he said is, I'm not a monster. Yeah, you probably not. You're probably more of a victim than a monster. And last night or yesterday, he released video footage of what happened when he came home. And this is what he came home to. Now, I'm going to read the caption because I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but it says, "This girl put ish on my toothbrush and everything. This hard ish for my daughter, Pamper. The one y'all said I hit. Can't say I did this. I was effing locked up. I didn't want to do this, but I want to clear my name." And you can see, as he said, hard poop, because like I said, I don't do all that cussing in my videos. But as you can see, hard poop all over the toothbrush. And that's not all. That's just part of what he got while he was locked up. Now let's look at what else he showed. Now in this picture right here, you can see him holding the toothbrushes and taking a picture, and I don't know what that crap is hanging from all over the place, but it looks rather disgusting. Basically, she wrecked the place, or wrecked enough of it. I'm assuming that would be his place and not hers. But you can see stuff protruding off of things. Yeah, it's hard to make out what that is, but it looks filthy. And this picture right here, you can see she spat in his face. Most men would have slapped the hell off of that alone. But I'm telling you, when a woman is pulling crap like that, that's exactly what she wants you to do. As you can see right here, he's trying to get in the house, and she got him locked out. Slowed it down so we can get a better look. You can see stuff all over the floor where she's been throwing stuff. Or like she broke some type of jar or something on the floor. Just, you can see she ripped his clothes. He just, yeah. For some of you guys, I'm pretty sure you're having flashbacks right now seeing this mess. This is typical of a woman who's trying to get a man locked up, who wants him to put his hands on her. I'm sorry, I can't help it. I gotta say it for what it is. I don't care how good she is in bed, how good she does whatever it is she does to you to make you feel good. Get away from this woman. If Tank Davis hears this video, get away from this woman. She's trying to get you locked up. At this point, you gotta know that. I get it. You got a baby with her. Get away from this woman. Let your lawyer deal with that, because she's trying to get you locked up. And I'm pretty sure you got an order of protection against you anyway. Get away from this woman before she have you losing your career and having you behind bars. That's pretty much all I got. This head busting boxes on Fight Doctor. I am out.